Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu in your WordPress website. Let's come to the computer screen and first log into your WordPress admin area. At the left side of your menu, you will find the appearance option. In appearance option, you will find a menu. Just click this. Here is an already added menu in my website. I am going to create a new one and will add to this website. Your interface may be little bit different, but the main work will be the same. If you want to create a new menu, click this create a new menu option. Here we go. Now you have to name the menu. For example, I'm going to name it WordPress and create this menu. Now this menu have created. Now you have to put pages and posts. Here just click the pages or post and add to menu. You can see that 3 pages have added here. Now if you want to make it subcategory, you have to drag it to the right. If you want to do same for this, just drag it to the right. Now the menu have completed. Save the menu. Now you have to put or you have to show this menu in your website. Just click the manage locations. Here my theme have 2 locations, the primary menu and social links menu. Just change this text to WordPress and save. Our primary menu location is now WordPress. Now check whether it works or not. Here is the primary location. Just refresh your page. You can see our menu have changed to WordPress. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to show my main menu here. Just save changes. Now you can see, let me refresh it. You can see the main menus here. So that's the end of today's discussion, that how to insert a drop-down menu in your WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.